What's the meaning of auxiliary language? Auxiliary language. Auxiliary language.
Auxiliary language. Auxiliary language. An auxiliary language is a language designed to facilitate communication between speakers of different native languages. These languages are often created with the intention of being easy to learn, and thus, more widely adopted. Auxiliary languages are typically constructed rather than naturally evolved, and may incorporate elements of multiple languages. Esperanto is one example of an auxiliary language that has gained a notable following, with speakers around the world. The use of an auxiliary language can promote mutual understanding and facilitate international communication and cooperation, particularly in multicultural settings.